Yes, absolutely, absolutely, my friends. What's going on, everybody? This is Luke Pico with IroncladConfidence.com coming to you guys today, my friends, with another amazing video. What's going on, champions? Yeah, buddy, baby. I hope you guys are straight rocking that world, dude, and always transforming that mindset, baby. Yeah, buddy, dude. So check it out, my friends. If you guys are new here to the YouTube channel, you guys, on this channel, this isn't just a confidence building channel, okay? On this channel, we talk about, yes, confidence building, but we also talk about quantum physics, psychology, science, law of attraction, success, all kinds of stuff, dude. That's why I created this channel, you guys, to share deep insights with success-driven individuals, baby. And so, my friends, today I just like to share with you a little bit about the law of attraction. Law of attraction laws to building a supreme personality. I know it sounds crazy. Oh, great. What's this guy going to talk about? But check it out, baby. So, if you've never heard about the law of attraction, which more and more people are definitely starting to understand what this is all about, but you guys, the law of attraction is not a singular law. The law of attraction uses all the laws that govern human psychology. See, word is law. Ideas are laws that we give to ourselves. Did you know that? Most people don't know that, baby. And so, if you go back to the beginning of your life, you were raised around whatever environment you were raised around. That environment was packed full of information. Personality traits, habits, behaviors, attitudes of everyone you were raised around. Parents, relatives, friends, co-workers, employees, everyone. As you get older, TV, media, internet, radio, anything you can think of, movies, all of those things are information. You're receiving all this data, right? Yeah, buddy, baby. And guess what? That information, whatever we internalize and hold on to and believe is true for us, builds the type of personality. And that personality that we learn to develop over the course of our life is actually giving us our personal reality. And here's what's crazy, dude. See, the law of attraction has to do with their laws. See, thoughts are universal laws. They govern who we are. Words are universal laws. They govern who we are. Beliefs are even more powerful universal laws that literally force us to manifest whatever reality we have right now, dude. Yeah, buddy, baby. And so check it out, dude. I know this sounds crazy, right? But understand what I'm saying. I'm sharing stuff with you that 99.9% of people have no idea that this is how reality works. Because when we think upon a thought, you have to understand something. When us individuals, we think upon a thought, we think upon it, but then we attract that into us. That information comes back into us. And then because that information comes back into us, we receive the energy of whatever comes. See, all information carries different energy. Can we not both agree? Right? Yeah, buddy. Why? Because here's the thing. If you're working with powerful positive information, you're going to receive powerful positive energy. But see, here's the thing. If you're working with negative, but here's also a thing. Okay? Both sides have power. You can have power for the positive or power for the negative. Yeah, buddy. And so if we're working with negative information, guess what? We're going to receive the negative energy that comes with that negative information. But here's the thing, like we said a minute ago, if we're working with positive information, we're going to receive the energy that comes with the positive information. And guess what, baby? Those are laws. See, us individuals as people, we're forced by law of nature, universal governing laws, to demonstrate the reality that we're going to create in our own life. And the way we demonstrate that is using our psychology. Words, thoughts, beliefs, our behaviors, our habits, our attitudes, our emotional intelligence. Because see, intelligence, right? What does that even mean, right? A lot of people you tell, are you intelligent? Yeah, I think I'm pretty intelligent, and you are to an extent. But let's go a little bit deeper. What does intelligent even mean? Have you ever asked yourself that? Yeah, buddy, baby. And so guess what? Intel, right? You see where we're going? Okay, let's go a little bit deeper. What are you telling yourself in, in tell, right? You are telling yourself something inside yourself, and then you act upon that information. You see what I'm saying here, dude? Intelligence, right? And so guess what? You want to learn how to use the law of attraction to attract to you the type of information, to attract to you the type of reality, to attract to you the type of energy that you want in your life? You see what I'm saying here, dude? Because here's the thing, you're already doing it. You see what I'm saying? You're already doing it, dude. This is what's crazy. It's just that, see, when we're unaware, we're on default. And when we're on default, we just default to our static, normal state of reality. We go into autopilot mode. And guess what? Autopilot mode means that we're just running on autopilot. And if we're running on autopilot, you're not even aware, as humans, we're not even aware that that's what we're doing. We're not even aware that that's what we're creating, baby. And so we get stuck in these patterns, these negative patterns of attraction, and then we wonder why anger shows up all the time. We wonder why insecurity shows up all the time. We wonder why frustration shows up all the time. We wonder why fear shows up all the time. We wonder why insecurity shows up all the time. We wonder why 110 different reasons called human experience that we experience over and over again, but we don't know why. And then we get frustrated. Oh, this always happened. That always happened. Why me? Why this? And we don't even understand that we're harnessing universal laws of attraction, universal laws of the words that we speak, universal laws of the thoughts that we think, universal laws of the attitudes that we have. Do you see what I'm saying? If you have a bad attitude towards the world, you're going to invoke the laws of that reality towards you. But if you have a good, positive attitude towards the world, you're going to invoke the laws of positivity to you. The laws of happiness, the laws of straight success, the laws of straight up confidence, dude. The laws of enthusiasm, right? The laws of authenticity, the laws of love, the laws of connection, the laws of whatever we decide. Charisma, buddy. Right? Yeah, buddy. What you want to do, dude? You want to learn how to build supreme confidence? You want to learn how to build a supreme personality? See, all that really means is supreme, right? Super, right? Yeah, you want to have a super healthy outlook on life, right? Mental health. Why do you think mental health is such a big thing? Because people suffer in their own ignorance, not even knowing why they're suffering. This is why when somebody hits, boom, rock bottom, guess what? There's only two things they're going to do. They are going to be forced by law of nature to make a change, or they're going to be forced to just give up on life. Right? Yeah, buddy. This is why anyone who goes to prison, for the most part, they have to put them in a controlled environment. And sometimes that environment has the potential or the opportunity for personal transformation for an individual, right? Or let's just say somebody goes, an alcoholic, right? And they go to Alcohol Anonymous, a class for, see, that class isn't just a random class. It's a personal development class to help people to get their psychology straight, to help them to improve their mental health. Because see, when you don't pay attention to the laws of reality, when you don't pay attention to what you're telling yourself, guess what? We go into default, autopilot. And that means all the information around us controls who we are. That means the reality we create is getting created based upon just randomness, because we're not paying attention to who we are. But see, here's the thing. You got to pay constant attention to yourself in order to make sure that you are the kind of person you want to be. You want to build a supreme personality? Because your personality creates your personal reality, dude. Dr. Joe Dispenza talks about this stuff all the time. Other people talk about this all the time. But see, if this is your first time hearing this, that means this is your first time, you're aware, you're receiving this information. And I know at first it's kind of like, dude, what have I been thinking of? Because that's how I was. But hey, you got to start somewhere. You got to start somewhere, because what we think about over and over again, we attract not only that information, but we attract the energy and that reality. That's why if somebody's always walking around in anger, oh, I don't know why I'm always angry. I don't know why I'm always angry. And then they look for reasons to always be angry. They're going to find what they're looking for. Reality is a mirror, baby. Understand what I'm going to share with you. This is going to blow your mind, dude. Reality is a mirror. That means what you see out in reality, whatever information possesses you, you're going to find that reality coming back to you all the time. Yeah, buddy. So guess what? You want to learn how to get your personality in order? You want to learn how to attract success? You attract everything to you in your life. You've attracted the house, the clothes, the car, the attitude, the relationships, everything. I know that's hard to hear, but this is how reality works. Laws of attraction, baby. This is the way it works, my friends. And see, just like there's gravity, you can't see gravity, but you know gravity's real. It holds you to the surface of the earth. See, we breathe in oxygen. We breathe that in. You can't see it, but it's a universal law. See, you feel the wind outside when you're walking around blowing on you. You can't see that with your eyes, but you know it's real because you feel it on your skin. You see what I'm saying here, dude? Yeah, buddy, baby. Most people don't know that. See, you're seeing me right here, right now, with your eyes. But guess what? How are you seeing through this invisible area right here? There's nothing right here in front of us. So your eyes are connecting to this information over there, but there's all this invisible space. You're using the laser beam of invisible information to perceive this energy. That should blow your mind, dude. Yeah, buddy, baby. Laws of attraction. Laws for building supreme confidence. Laws for building a supreme personality. And so, how you show up in the world reflects back at you. See, your personality gives you everything you agree with. If you agree with lack, if you agree with anger, if you agree with neglect, if you agree with everything that you're agreeing with, you only receive more of that. And that, my friends, is how the law of attraction works. Most people don't know that. See, everything is vibrating at a certain frequency. Everything. The walls you see behind me, everything you see behind me, everything that you see behind you in your house and all around you, it's a frequency. It's a frequency vibrating. All the little particles, the atoms that you see that hold everything together, they're vibrating so fast that they create a solid object. They pop out into reality because the information is so dense that that's what it creates, dude. Yeah, buddy, baby. And so, if you understand this, you start to see how reality works. Because when you think upon a thought, you're thinking upon a law. You didn't know that. Did you know that? Most people don't know that. When you think a thought, you're thinking upon the frequency of the laws of that reality. That should blow your mind, dude. What do you want to create, buddy? What you want to create? You want to be more successful? You want to be more happy? You want to rock your confidence? You want to rock your success? You want to attract into your life amazingness? You want to walk around and be like, dude, that guy's cool, man. That girl's cool, dude. She's so nice. She's so this. She's so that. I don't know what it is. Hey, dude, this is all of us. We all learn from each other, but guess what? You got to be willing to take control of your life. You got to be willing to get honest with yourself. Because if you ain't honest with yourself, guess what? You're going to live an unhonest life, and you're going to get what comes with that neglect. Yeah, buddy, baby. And so, my friends, I just wanted to share with you some deep insights on the law of attraction, on what you're telling yourself, because the story we tell ourselves has the greatest impact on our life. Universal laws govern our internal condition. And if we're not aware, guess what? We're just getting governed by whatever information, whatever attitude, whatever behavior, whatever habits that just pops into our reality. And so what happens is that we just kind of live a frustrating life. This is how it was for me. That's why I talk about this. Dude, I was stuck in anger. I was stuck in frustration. I was stuck in depression. I was stuck in anxiety. I was stuck in all kinds of stuff. Because not only did I live a really hard life and learn that growing up, anger and violence and drug addiction and alcohol addiction and all that stuff, but I had to like crawl, you're trying to crawl out, you're trying to figure it out, you're trying to crack the code, dude. Guess what, baby? I cracked the code. I figured it out. And so guess what? Because I figured it out, I was able to come out of that information and pay attention to what I'm telling myself. That's why I do these videos. That's why I rock a podcast. That's why I rock my world, dude. You want to transform your psychology? You got to be willing to harness supreme laws of attraction so that you can build a supreme personality. Who wouldn't want a super awesome personality? You see what I'm saying here? Yeah, buddy, baby, but that's all I got for you guys today, my friends. I just wanted to share some insights on the law of attraction and building a supreme personality, baby. And so, if you guys are new here to the YouTube channel, consider subscribing, baby. If you guys like this video, if you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, baby. And hit the little bell notification if you guys want more videos like this, dude. Yeah, buddy, baby. But I do thank you guys, and I do look forward to talking to you champions again next time, baby. Peace. Yeah, buddy. You decide what you want, baby. You always do.